My other Hellcat owners, man, and Scatpack. Matter of fact, all car owners, don't skimp on fucking maintenance, bro. Man, I ran into so many people, bro, that they'll have a check engine light, then they'll just go clear the code, but they don't really find out what the issue is. Now I'm gonna give me some code readers and shit that I can hook up to my my OBD port to do the shit myself. But then again, this kind of car, you don't really want to skimp on maintenance on nothing like this, bro. Something small can turn out to be something big. Now the fuel injectors and the fuel pump was clogged up with carbon and shit like that. They killed the throttle. They cleaned the throttle body and shit like that too. Basically the whole fuel system and shit like that. They cleaned it out. So my car is running fine. Prior to when I got that gas, my shit was idling and looked a little more rough than what it was. Wasn't misfiring, but you know what I'm saying. It rides better now. And for $391, bro, hey, my car gonna see a longer fucking life. And these Mopars get a lot of bad rep and hate because people don't upkeep them. They just beat the dog shit out of these cars, and they don't maintenance these cars. They don't take them to the shop. They don't even try to attempt to put oil in them. Like, you gotta check your oil. Just because you know you got oil in the car, you still gotta check your oil level, man. You still gotta make sure your shit not running low on oil. You wanna make sure your car not burning oil, because if it's burning oil, that's not good. It's not supposed to burn oil, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, bro, my car got a lot of compliments today. They were saying, they were like, you take real good care of it. It look clean and shit like that. I scraped it this morning driving after it sit so damn low. But other than that, man, like, hell, like, you gotta take care of your shit. You work hard for your shit, man. Take care of your shit. Don't. Like, it costs to own these cars. I ain't gonna even cap. It fucking costs to own these cars, bro. Rather you mod or keep it stock, whatever you do, some shit gonna break, and you gotta pay for it. You either can do it yourself or you can pay somebody else to do it. With me personally, man, I ain't got the time, and I take that shit to the fucking dealership, bro. And you know what I'm saying? Baby girl good. She ain't a cat no more. She back a Hellcat. So hey, take care of my girl and shit like that, man. Fuck, bro, cause this hobby here, like I said, it costs, bro, but I keep my shit clean. I can't stand a dirty ass fucking engine brake. I can't. That's one thing I can't stand. It's still stock. Technically, it's not stock because of that, but it's stock. I'm going to get the fuel injectors, upper smaller pulley. I'm thinking 2 point. Might just get a 285. I really don't want this car to be no strictly drag build car, you know what I'm saying? I want it to still ride like it's stock. But I want to be faster than jailbreaks and red eyes. That's all I care about. But yeah, that's it.